Hey everybody, it's Teresa. Welcome to my channel. I have the March 2026 Curated bead box to share with you all today. I have a coupon code for the Curated bead box. It's Teresa35, and I'll put it on the screen here and in the description box below, along with a link to the page to sign up for the subscription if you're interested. The coupon will save you 35% off your first box if you sign up. It looks like the theme this month is Wild Orchid. That sounds like it's right up my alley, doesn't it? Because it looks like it's got some purples in there, maybe. I'm going to open it up here and take a little peek. The Finding Starter Kit is, that looks like some of those little gift boxes that was in last month's. Finding Starter, there's always a Finding Starter Kit in each box. And it always alternates between silver and gold. This month it's in silver. There, that looks like a big pendant. Some pretty beads in there. Some big chunky purple beads there. So hold on, I'll sort everything out and I'll be back. Okay, I've got everything sorted out now. And first I have the Finding Starter Kit. Like I said, this time it's in silver. Got some memory wire, and some bead stringing wire, some stretchy string, some head pins, some crimp beads, some fishhook ear wires, some lobster clasps, and some jump rings. The Finding Starter Kit makes it really handy. You can pretty much make jewelry straight out of the box just with some basic jewelry tools. And then in the strands, I have a 8-inch strand of 12mm purple glass pearl beads. Those are really pretty. They look like they're in good shape. Holes are not rough or anything. And then next is a 6-inch strand of 10mm blue, oh no, I picked the wrong one up. Blue/gray duo style glass beads. Those are really pretty. And then next, a 6-inch strand of 10mm dusty pink/gray duo style glass beads. Pretty. And then next is an 8-inch strand of 10mm dark purple crackle glass beads. They're really pretty, have that crackle on the inside there. And then next is a 16-inch strand of 8mm red marble style glass beads. Those are really pretty. Big long strand of those. And then next is a 16-inch strand of 8mm jasper style glass beads. And those are really pretty. Kind of put some neutral colors in with all these colorful beads. And then last in the strands is a 16-inch strand of 8mm crimson marble style glass beads. Really pretty. And then a 1-ounce Wild Orchid Designer glass bead mix. All kinds of shapes and colors in there. got some little, what look like 6/0 seed beads and faceted beads and round beads and rondelle shaped beads. All kinds of pretty beads in there. And then there are 6 14mm silver dot druzy style glass beads. And I don't know what I did with my eye pen. There it is. Figure out where they've got a big hole in them. You could, oh, my eye pen's going to come out of there. The hole's big. Could definitely put these on some leather. They're really pretty. They don't wind up in the floor for Lily or Sandy to play with. They're really pretty. Well, I'm going to keep on until I'm going to drop them. And then there are 8 10mm triangle silver metal spacer beads. I believe I lost my eye pen again. I believe my eye pen will stay on these. Or these will stay on my eye pen. Those are really cool. I mean, neat little spacer beads. And then there is the 68mm flower silver metal pendant. That's really cool. You could, I've never done anything with resin, but if you do resin, you could probably put some resin in there if you wanted to and fill that up on the inside. It's really pretty. And then the last thing are the little 30 by 70mm pillow gift boxes, and there are 3 of them. The ones, I think the ones we got in last month's box were gold. These are black. That's really neat. And that's everything. So hold on, I'll put everything together in one picture and I'll be back. Okay, there's everything that came in the March 2026 curated bead box called Wild Orchid. Like I said, if you're not subscribed to the box and you decide you want to be, that coupon code will save you 35% off your first box if you sign up. I hope you all have enjoyed this video. As always, thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate those of you who have subscribed to my channel and watched my videos and liked and commented on my videos. I have a website where I sell my jewelry and some grab bags of extra beads that I have. It's Teresa's Handmade Jewelry, and I'll put a link to it in the description box below in case you're interested. If you haven't, I'd really love it if you'd subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified when I upload a new video. So until next time, I hope y'all have a great day. Take care.